2026. The time is 15:46. The temperature is 72 degrees. I-70 West, Vail Pass Summit. The traffic is back. It's officially summer, almost. And everyone is out and about. Moderate to heavy traffic up here today. Hopefully we'll get some rain. You can see those clouds off in the background. They look threatening. Hopefully there's some moisture in there. Doesn't look like there's a lot. Had some pretty gusty winds today. Pretty fast drivers out here, so be patient with those crazy aggressive drivers, please. They can definitely try and push you over the edge. Let's check out the rest of the pass. You love it when they get in front of you and put the brakes on. Always a favorite. Has anyone else noticed that Tesla drivers are kind of aggressive? They go really fast. This is the sketchiest part of the pass right here. Be really careful coming through here. It's like this off-camber right turn, back to off-camber, and back to level. Check this guy out. He's just like, I am going to punch it. Oh, there's some police radar up here according to Waze. That would be a good idea. You don't see them up in this area a lot, but sometimes you do. So watch your speed. Looks like he has moved on. He probably got someone. People are flying today. That's I-70 Vail Pass for this Saturday, June 13th, 2026. A lot of traffic out here today. Some aggressive drivers. Be patient. Use caution. And hopefully we'll see you Monday.